बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज मैं आपके लिए नेक्स्ट सेट लेकर आई हूँ डेफिनेशंस के, जिसमें पहला डेफिनेशन है ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट आफ्टर डिडक्टिंग मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एक्सपेंसेस एंड अदर इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस आउट ऑफ सेल of an article. Balance amount is known as gross profit. Auctioneering agent, the person who on behalf of the owner sells the goods by auction and hand over to the possession of the goods to the person who gives the highest bid. Next, compound ratio, the ratio of the products of first term and the product of second terms of two or more ratios is called their compound ratios. Squares, when the values of the items to be represented diagrammatically, then in a wide range, it is difficult to represent them by means of rectangles. Three-dimensional diagram. Three-dimensional or volume diagram comprise cubes, spheres, prisms, cylinders, and blocks. Band graphs. Band graphs is also known as belt curve. It is a constituent element. It showed how and in what proportion what individual items comparing an aggregate are proportioned. Next, net profit. Out of the gross profit when indirect expenses are deducted, it is known as net profit. Sell purchase agent. Just wait. मुझसे थोड़ी गलती हुई. Compound interest. When the simple interest is added to the principal so that the amount becomes the principal for next period is called the compound interest. Del creator agent, a person or an institution that provides his services to a firm in selling the goods or credit and takes responsibility to collect this amount is called del creator agent. Loss inequality. If the ratio is less than 1, then it's said to be less inequality. Equality ratio. If the ratio is equal to unit, but it is said to be equality ratio. Greater inequality. If the ratio is greater than 1, then 1 is said. Greater inequality. Duplicate ratio. The ratio of the squares of the first term and the second term of a ratio is called duplicate ratio. Triplicate ratio. The ratio 2 का power 3 ratio 3 का power 3 is called triplicate ratio.